Hello everybody, welcome back to Dividend Investor. The topic of today's video, I'll be going over the Apple stock and seeing if it is a good investment for you and to have in your portfolio. Before I get into the video, if you're new to the channel, I talk about personal finance, stocks, investing, all things business. So if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, definitely consider subscribing and smashing the like button on this video to help boost the algorithm and get the investing knowledge out to more people. So yeah, as I said guys, today I'm going to be looking at the Apple stock. It's a massive $1 trillion company. Obviously everybody's heard of the iPhones, whatnot, created by Steve Jobs. So I'll just have a bit of a look into the information of the company now, just a little bit. Ticker symbol AAPL, founded back in 1977. Technology, hardware and storage. They have a market cap of a massive $1.38 trillion with an outstanding amount of shares of 4.38 billion. Apple has 137,000 employees and are on many different exchanges. So a bit about Apple. They design, manufacture and market smartphones, personal computers, tablets, wearable and accessories worldwide. It also sells various related services. The company offers iPhone, a line of smartphones, Mac, a line of personal computers and an iPad, a line of multi-purpose tablets. And also now a lot of wearables, home accessories such as AirPods, Apple TV, watches, Beats products. Apple really do have a lot of different products, which is part of the reason why they're so huge today. Created back in 1977, guys, a long time ago now, and they've just continued to grow. At the moment, the Apple share price is at $317, which is the highest it's ever been. So if you go across now to valuation, at the moment, yeah, $317. It says about right, but also say it could be a little bit on the overvalued side as well. And they do say $277 is a fair price. But I do feel that Apple will continue to grow year after year, and it's gone up a massive 11% in the last month, guys. And I do think it might obviously have its dips on the way, as many stocks do, but I do see Apple as a massive stock for the future. Also, market research seems to think that Apple, once the 5G prices come down, the iPhone sales will spur up, then incur more profits for Apple. So if we just have a little look into the health of the company now, the information is not available on the financial position, but as you can see there, in the short term, the assets outweigh the liabilities. They have £163 billion worth of assets and 106 worth of liabilities. Liabilities, basically bad outgoings. But in the long term, £176 billion worth of assets, £142 billion worth of liabilities. So as long as they're earning a lot more than the assets, it shouldn't be a problem anytime soon. So you can see there the debt, equity and history analysis. They have a net worth of just under $150 billion, and the debt is probably around 120. So they do have quite a bit of debt, which is obviously not good for any company, but all companies do have them. It's just how they manage to maintain that debt. Next thing we have is the dividend. Apple's current dividend yield scores a 2 out of 6, which is not the best score. It doesn't really show me all the information of the dividend at the moment. They have a current yield of just under 1%, which it does sound incredibly low, guys, but they still probably pay out around 70 cents per share, I think it is, which is not too bad for one share. But obviously it is more of a growth company, I see it as. So they usually pay out around 25% of the money out to the shareholders. Future payout over the next 3 years down just to 23%. So average manager tenure of Apple now is 3.3 years. The current CEO is Tim Cook, aged 58 years old. He's the chief executive of Apple since August 2011. Let's have a look at the current price and news. You can see over the last month it spiked right up. Started the month around $280. $270, $280, and it's spiked up massively. So guys, Apple stock, everybody obviously knows all the products. I'm currently filming this on my iPhone. Everyone has a very smart products. And me personally, do I see Apple as a good investment over the next few years? I definitely do. I think it's a great company and will continue to grow year after year. I don't think they have any major competitors. They do have competitors, obviously, as everybody does, but I think Apple are still way out on their own at the moment for the products and the services they provide on the phones and all the other different products they do provide. I currently don't own Apple in my portfolio at the moment, mainly due to the cost of it, and I really can't afford it right now, but I will be saving up to get hands on Apple in the future. So once again guys, if you like this video, could you please subscribe to my channel? I'm on 500 subscribers, aiming to get to 1,000. Give the video a like, comment, let me know what you think of Apple and whether you have it in your portfolios. That's it for today's video guys, bye.